Hello guys, in today's request we're going to hack this game, which is called Marooned. I'm gonna show you how to get unlimited golden carrots. So close the game, then open MT Manager. In the options menu, choose Extract APK. Then select the game, Extract APK. OK. Now close MT Manager. Open Nandy Split G2 app. Search for MT to folder. Then select the game, APKs. Then press Merge. Now close this app. Go back to MT Manager. Go to MT to folder, APKs. Then install the game, APK, and uninstall the original one. Perfect. Now close MT Manager. Then open Hack App Data app. Select Hack User Apps. Then choose the game, then press Continue. Great. Press Remove to uninstall the original APK file. Then install the hackable new one. Very good. Now let's enter the game, so that it creates shared preferences data. OK. Now, go back to Hack App Data. Select Hack User Apps. Now we can hack our game. Select Preferences, then com.fastfly, etc. Replace the 10 maroon gold with a higher value. Then save. Close the app and go back to the game. Congratulations, you got unlimited gold carrots. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.